it's Tiff. Have you ever had such a bad day that all you really want to do is just unwind with your favorite song? But then this happens. But don't worry, I'm here to show you one very simple way that you can DIY your earphones into something super cute. And even though earphones are like the symbol of antisocialness, you won't believe how many times people have stopped me outside to say, "Oh my gosh, those are really cute, where did you get them?" Even a pair of earphones can be DIY'd into a conversation starter, and I'm gonna show you how I DIY'd my earphones. The materials you're gonna need for this DIY are some yarn. I got mine at Daiso. You can buy yours at a local DIY store. And you're gonna need a pair of scissors, some tape, and of course, your earphones. The first thing you gotta do is tape down the end of your earphone jack to a solid surface like a table. And then you take about an arm's length of yarn and double knot it at the end as well, and make sure everything is securely fastened. Now we're gonna do the Chinese step ladder weaving all through the length of your earphones, and it's quite simple. You just have to watch closely what I'm doing, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to replicate this. What you gotta do is take the long end of your yarn, pull it to the left, and then sort of drape it across and over your earphones towards the right so that you form a sort of four shape or a triangular loop. Then you take the end of your yarn and just push it underneath through that loop that you have just made and pull it tight so that your knot slides all the way up to the top where you first made your double knots. It is important to remember to pull every knot you make as tightly as possible so that your weaving and the yarn that you have worked on looks as neat and tidy as possible. Once you run out of your initial strand of yarn, you can take another arm's length of yarn and just knot it together so that you form one continuous strand of yarn, or if you like, you can knot it directly on your earphones. I think it looks neater that way. Yeah, if you like, you can also use a different color yarn so that you can alternate and switch up the colors and pattern of your Chinese step ladder weaving. Just play around with it, and I hope you have fun making this DIY. Once you finish knotting your yarn all the way down to where your earphones split into both sides of your earbuds, you may just make a tight knot and cut off the excess yarn and begin the same process down both sides of your earphones. Good luck and have fun with this, because seriously, it took me about 3 hours to run through the entire length of my earphones. So while you're working, you may put on your favorite show or movie or listen to some music, just whatever you can do to pass the time and steer clear of boredom. But the results, I guarantee, are going to be so worth it and so amazing that you can use this as a hack to prevent tangles from all your earphone problems in the future. Keep making and keep repeating the same knot all over and over and over again until you've run through the entire length of your earphones. And there you have it, our very own DIY earphone hack that solves the problem of tangled earphones, so you can just sort of squish your earphones into your pocket or your bag or any tight space, and you can just pull it out and expect to be able to plug in and listen to your favorite song on the go without any hassle. So hey, if you enjoyed this DIY, do give the video a like and also subscribe, because I'm gonna be posting more cute and fun and easy DIYs. Feel free to be my friend on any of my social media, links are down below. Don't forget to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!